Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners. I'm Paul. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. I'm very happy to be here. How about you?
I'm feeling wonderful. I'm excited about our topic today. It's a really good one for beginners.
Yes, it is. Today, we are talking about easy conversations for beginners and how to learn English in a fun way.
That's right. Fun is so important. We have a short dialogue for you to listen to. It's between two friends, Lisa and Tom.
Yes, they talk about a great way to learn English. After we listen, Paul and I will talk about the ideas in the dialogue.
Exactly. The dialogue has some fantastic tips, so listen carefully.
And before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and share it with your friends. Okay, are you ready? Let's listen to Lisa and Tom.
Hi, Tom. What are you watching?
Hi, Lisa. I'm watching a TV series in English.
Oh, do you really understand it?
Not everything, but I use subtitles. It helps a lot.
Subtitles. In English or in our language?
At first, I used subtitles in our language, but now I use English subtitles.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but it's the best way to learn new words and hear how people really speak.
So, watching TV can help me learn English?
Of course, you can learn natural expressions, slang, and pronunciation.
That sounds fun. Better than just reading grammar books.
Exactly. Learning should be fun. If you enjoy it, you will learn faster.
Okay, I'll try to watch something in English tonight.
Great! Start with short episodes. Step by step, you'll improve.
Do you think I should write down new words too?
Yes, that's a good idea. But don't try to memorize everything at once.
Maybe I can watch one episode and pick 5 new words to learn.
Perfect. That's practical and not overwhelming.
I also want to try repeating sentences out loud. Will that help?
Absolutely. Speaking aloud improves pronunciation and confidence.
Thanks, Tom. I feel more motivated now.
You're welcome, Lisa. I'm sure you'll do great.
Okay, I have to go now, but I'll start watching tonight.
Sounds good. Talk to you later.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Lisa.
And we're back. Wow, Paul, I love that dialogue.
Me too, Emily. Tom gives Lisa some really great advice.
He really does. The first thing is about watching TV shows in English. I think that is a fantastic idea.
Oh yes, it's one of my favorite tips. It's not like studying. It's like having fun.
Exactly. Lisa says it sounds better than reading grammar books.
Yes, grammar books are important, of course, but watching a show is so much more exciting.
It is. You can see the people, hear their voices, and enjoy a story.
And Tom says you can learn natural expressions. This is so important.
It is. In books, you learn, hello, how are you? In a TV show, you might hear, hey, what's up?
Yes, that's a great example. It's real English, the English people use every day.
But Lisa asks a good question. She asks, "Do you really understand it?"
That is a good question. I think many beginners feel this way. They worry they will not understand.
Yes, it can be scary, but Tom's answer is perfect. He says, "Not everything."
And that is okay. It is okay to not understand everything.
Yes, you don't need to understand every single word. You can understand the story from the pictures and the feeling.
That's a good point. You see if a person is happy or sad. You see what they are doing. This helps you understand.
It really does. And then Tom talks about subtitles. This is a very helpful tool.
It is. He says he started with subtitles in his language. I think this is a good first step.
I agree. It helps you connect the English sounds with the meaning in your language.
It makes it less scary. You can relax and enjoy the show because you know you can read what they're saying.
But then Tom made a change. He started using English subtitles.
Yes, this is the next step, the big step.
It is a big step. Lisa says, "That sounds difficult."
And it can be at the beginning, but it is so good for your English.
It is. You read and listen to English at the same time. It's amazing for your brain.
Your brain starts to connect the written word with the spoken word. Like you see the word hello and you hear the sound hello.
Exactly. It helps so much with spelling and pronunciation.
I remember when I started doing this. At first, my eyes were only on the subtitles. I was reading so much.
Me too. I felt like I was reading a book very fast.
Yes, but after a few episodes, it gets easier. You start to look up at the actors more.
That's so true. Your brain gets faster at reading and listening. It's like a workout for your English skills.
A fun workout. And what kind of shows are good for this, Emily?
That's a good question. I think cartoons are great for beginners.
Oh, yes, children's shows. The language is often simpler, and they speak very clearly.
Yes, and the stories are easy to follow. Or maybe a simple comedy show.
A sitcom. Yes, they are usually short, maybe 20 minutes, and they talk about everyday life.
Tom also gives that advice. He says, start with short episodes.
That is very smart. You don't want to feel tired. A 20 or 30-minute episode is perfect.
It is. You can feel successful. You can say, wow, I finished a whole episode in English.
That feeling is so important. It gives you motivation.
It really does. Okay, so after watching and using subtitles, Lisa has another great idea.
She does. She asks about writing down new words.
Yes, this is a very active way to learn. You are not just watching, you are participating.
I love that. Participating. Yes, Tom agrees it's a good idea. But he gives some important advice.
He says, don't try to memorize everything at once.
This is so important. Sometimes learners feel they need to know every new word.
And that is too much pressure. You can't. It's impossible.
It is, and it makes learning feel like hard work. We want it to be fun.
So Lisa suggests a plan, a very good plan.
I love her plan. She says, maybe I can watch one episode and pick 5 new words to learn.
5 words? That is such a good number.
It's perfect. It's not too big, not too small. It's manageable.
Yes, that's the word. Manageable. You can write the 5 words in a notebook.
And what can you do with those words, Emily? Just write them?
Oh, no, you can do more. You can write the meaning in your language.
Okay, that's a good start.
And you can try to write a simple sentence using the new word.
Oh, I like that. So if the new word is happy, you can write, I am happy.
Yes, exactly. You are using the word. This helps you remember it.
That's a great tip. Making your own sentence is powerful.
It is. Tom says Lisa's plan is practical and not overwhelming.
Those are great words. Practical means it's easy to do in real life.
And not overwhelming means it doesn't make you feel stressed or like it's too much work.
Learning English should never feel overwhelming. It should be an adventure.
I agree completely. An adventure, one step at a time.
Speaking of steps, Lisa has one more idea to improve her speaking.
Ah, yes, a very important one. She wants to try repeating sentences out loud.
And Tom says, absolutely. He really likes that idea.
Of course, because it's one of the best ways to practice. It helps with pronunciation.
It really does. You are training your mouth to make the English sounds.
Sometimes you know a word in your head, but it's hard to say it.
Yes, your tongue and lips are not used to the new sounds. Repeating helps with that. It's like muscle memory.
That's a great way to describe it, and it also helps with confidence.
So much. When you hear yourself speaking English, even if you are alone, you start to believe you can do it.
Yes, you can pause the TV show after a short sentence and say it yourself.
Try to copy the actor's voice, the emotion. Is it a happy sentence, a sad sentence?
That makes it even more fun. You are acting.
Yes, you can be a movie star in your living room.
I love it. So, all of these tips from Tom and Lisa are connected.
They are. You watch something fun.
You use subtitles to help you understand.
You learn a few new words, not too many.
And you practice speaking by repeating what you hear.
It's a full plan for learning. And at the end, Lisa feels so much better.
She does. She says, I feel more motivated now.
And that is the goal, to feel motivated and happy to learn, not stressed.
Tom's final words are also really nice. He says, You're welcome, Lisa. I'm sure you'll do great.
That is so encouraging. It's important to have friends who support you.
It is, and we want all our listeners to know we are sure you'll do great too.
Yes, you will. Every little step is progress. Every episode you watch is a success.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They are part of learning.
Exactly. The important thing is to enjoy the process. Find a show you love, and it won't feel like studying at all.
That is the secret. When learning is fun, you learn faster. Tom said that, and it is 100% true.
I believe it. It has been true for me.
Me too. These are wonderful tips. I think they can help our listeners a lot.
I agree. They are simple, practical, and fun. Everything we love here at Mr. English Channel.
They really are. You know, I think we should listen to the dialogue one more time.
That's a great idea, Emily. Now that we have talked about all the tips, our listeners can hear them again with a new understanding.
Okay, everyone, let's listen to Lisa and Tom one last time.
Hi, Tom. What are you watching?
Hi, Lisa. I'm watching a TV series in English.
Oh, do you really understand it?
Not everything, but I use subtitles. It helps a lot.
Subtitles. In English or in our language?
At first, I used subtitles in our language, but now I use English subtitles.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but it's the best way to learn new words and hear how people really speak.
So, watching TV can help me learn English?
Of course, you can learn natural expressions, slang, and pronunciation.
That sounds fun. Better than just reading grammar books.
Exactly. Learning should be fun. If you enjoy it, you will learn faster.
Okay, I'll try to watch something in English tonight.
Great! Start with short episodes. Step by step, you'll improve.
Do you think I should write down new words too?
Yes, that's a good idea. But don't try to memorize everything at once.
Maybe I can watch one episode and pick 5 new words to learn.
Perfect. That's practical and not overwhelming.
I also want to try repeating sentences out loud. Will that help?
Absolutely. Speaking aloud improves pronunciation and confidence.
Thanks, Tom. I feel more motivated now.
You're welcome, Lisa. I'm sure you'll do great.
Okay, I have to go now, but I'll start watching tonight.
Sounds good. Talk to you later.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Lisa.
That was great to hear again. All those tips are so clear.
Yes, I hope everyone listening feels motivated, just like Lisa.
I'm sure they do. Remember to be patient with yourself and have fun.
That's the perfect summary, Paul. And that's all the time we have for today.
It is. Thank you all so much for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
And please leave us a comment below. We would love to know, what is your favorite TV show to watch to learn English?
Ooh, that's a great question. I can't wait to read the answers. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Keep practicing and have fun. We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.